Southern Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having an amazing day. Thank you so much for being here. I do truly appreciate it. You're taking the time to watch the videos. If you are new, go ahead and hit subscribe. We would love to have you join our YouTube family. And as always, please give this video a thumbs up if you like the video and leave a comment. I love hearing from you guys. As you can see from the description, we have an unboxing here. This is actually from an Etsy site. I will make sure to link it down below. It is CorasDen. I've been in contact with the owner of the shop. Her name is Katie. She is so sweet. This necklace that I'm wearing, this monogram necklace here, I've actually received from her and done a review before, and she has ever so kindly sent me some more products to share with you guys. And you guys, her stuff is beautiful. I mean, it's just absolutely gorgeous. And I cannot wait to get in here and look at everything and show it to you guys. Like I said, I will put a link to her site, her Etsy page down below. However, right now I do know that because she's had so many orders for Christmas, she has temporarily closed her Etsy shop. But I'm going to show you these items anyway and let you'll know about them. And like I said, her link will be down below. So when she reopens after the holidays, because she wanted to make sure that she had time to, make the products and get them to people that had already ordered before Christmas. And you guys, her work is impeccable. So I can't say enough about her and what she does. This is one of my favorite necklaces. It is so beautiful. So I can't wait to see what everything else in here is. So, I did just open this. You guys, this is so cute. The boxes all have like little bows. So, we are going to take a look here and see. The first item, you guys, oh my goodness. Y'all, this is so cute. This is a Christmas ornament. She had this available where you could pick a pattern, in the bow and font and things. But it's a personalized Christmas ornament. And it has Johnson, is my last name. You guys, this is so beautiful. Her work is just gorgeous. But she had like multiple designs you could pick as far as for here. And then, like I said, different colors for your bows and stuff. I just think this is so cute. It is gorgeous. And she's even put a little hook already on it to hang on the tree. So that will be going on my tree directly. But yes, you guys, her work is so beautiful. Everything that I have seen, she has, I want to say like over 500 different items that you could choose from on her site, and nothing is, outlandishly priced. She clearly takes pride in her work, and like I said, it's reflected in her products. I love it. Let's see. And then we have another little box with a pretty bow. And this is just a thank you card. Okay. So let's see what is in this one. Like I said, I had done a review for her before. We had this necklace and there was another necklace. The font was a little different, but it was also a monogram. Y'all, oh my goodness. Okay. So I keep showing you guys this necklace. This is literally one of my favorite necklaces. I'm sure you've seen it in plenty of other videos that I have done. You guys. Oh my gosh, these are so beautiful. I'm like shaking. I'm so excited. Y'all. It's the matching earrings to the necklace. Are you kidding me? These are gorgeous. How cute. How cute. I'm putting these on. Like, I'm wearing these right now. These are so adorable, y'all. And I love that they're not like too big. You know, they're big enough that you can still see the initials, but they're not like too big that they're too much. Like, these are so beautiful, and obviously they match the necklace perfectly. Oh, I'm in love. Oh, y'all just, y'all know I live in the South and we love to monogram anything. If it's not moving, we're monogramming it. So, I was excited. I have another big box here with a pretty bow. You guys, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So it's you see the beautiful beads, the long necklace with the monogram and this gorgeous tassel. You guys, are you kidding me? This is so beautiful. You can see. This is gorgeous. Like, everything on her site looks so beautiful, but I mean, the pictures really do not do anything justice. It is so gorgeous in person. And like I said, her work is impeccable. Y'all, oh my gosh. All right, and there's one more in here. Like I said, I will definitely be leaving her link down below to her Etsy page. You guys definitely check her out when she opens her shop back up, because like I said, I know that she has gotten so many orders for the holidays, and she wanted, like I said, to kind of take the time and focus on those and make sure that they were done and shipped out in time for Christmas. And to me, that's actually a really good thing. You know, she's not taking on too much. I think that is amazing. But when she reopens her shop, you guys definitely take a look, because oh, okay. This is so cute. This is another monogram. And again, you could pick colors, you know, you could pick the color of the bow, the type of font, but this is my initials. Again, this goes around my rearview mirror in my car. This is so cute. Like, I just can't. So I'm saying, I told you, I live in the South, and if it's not moving, we're putting a monogram on it. But again, it just goes, her work, you guys, is so awesome. I mean, look how gorgeous. Everything is beautiful. Like, I mean, the rear view mirror, these earrings that go with the necklace I already had from her, this beautiful Christmas ornament, and then the beaded necklace, the long tassel beaded necklace that is also monogrammed. Y'all, I mean, I'm good for Christmas. It is all so beautiful. I'm almost at a loss for words, because like I said, I mean, obviously I can see everything on her site, on her Etsy page, but seeing everything in person, it is just so beautiful. So like I said, that will be down below. Please go give her page a look at all the different products that she offers that she can make. It is so gorgeous, everything that she does. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I am about to go put this ornament on my tree. It's like 30 degrees outside, so I'm not going outside right now to put this in my car, but I will tomorrow. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, the link will be down below. Make sure you go check her out. And I guarantee you that you will find something that you love. So I hope you enjoyed. I hope you all have a great evening, and I will talk with you guys soon. Bye.